Hello everyone, welcome you all in this video lecture session. Today's topic for the discussion is market functionaries. So without delay, let's start the session. Market functionaries are the persons which are responsible for to collect the produce from the field and to bring the produce from the producers to ultimate consumers. Means we can say that the persons that performing or that performed various functions in a market, that's called the market functionaries. There are many examples like producers, middlemen, wholesalers, speculative middlemen, facilitative middlemen, agent middlemen, which are otherwise called the market functionaries. So without delay, let's start to know about the producers. Then what are the producers? In village, most of the farmers are producers. They performing various marketing functions. They sometimes the farmers sell their surplus produce in a village near in a market. Other than this, they frequently visit to the market and constant touch with the market functionaries. They have an they have an access or an important power to judge the market. They have better knowledge of market information or market intelligence, that are called the producers. Middlemen means the individual or business concern which are specialized in performing various marketing functions and rendering services, that's called the middleman. Actually, the middlemen are the person that that are actively involved to transfer the produce from the producer to consumers, and they charge the money for their service. The middleman can be divided into different parts. First one is merchant middleman. Merchant middlemen are those middlemen which takes only the title of good they handle. They have no control. They have no economic control to the produce. They only take the title of the goods, buy and sell on their own, and gain or loss depending on the difference in sale and purchase prices. Next one is wholesaler. Wholesaler are those merchant middlemen who buy and sell food grains in large quantities. They may buy either directly from the farmers or from the other wholesalers. They can sell the food grains in the same market or other market. Actually, the wholesalers are very well known that they sell their produce to retailers, like retailers or the processors. There are some important functions of wholesalers. Likewise, they assemble the goods from the different localities and meet areas to meet the demands of the buyer. They perform the functions of processing or grading and standardization also. They can also regulate the flow of the goods in a market. Sometimes they finance to the farmers so that the latter may meet the requirement of the production input. Next one, the retailers. The retailers are the retailers are the persons who buy the produce from the wholesalers and sell their produce to consumers. Retailers are very close to the consumers. Retailers can be divided into two parts: itinerant traders and village merchant. Itinerant traders are petty merchants who move village to village and directly purchase the producer from the cultivators. Itinerant traders are the persons who move village to village and collect the producers from directly to the cultivators. Village merchants have their small establishment in a village. They purchase the produce of those farmers who have either taken the finance from them or those who are not able to go to the market. Village merchants also supply the essential consumption goods to the farmer. Next one is agent middlemen. They do not take the title of the produce. They receive income in a form of commission or brokerage. They serve as a buyer or seller in effective bargaining. Agent middlemen can be divided into following parts: commission agent or adatiyas. Commission agent is a person operating in a wholesale market who act as a representative. We can say that commission agent act as a representative in a wholesale market. Commission agent takes the physical handling of the produce and he simply arranges the produce and for sell and collect the prices from the buyers. Commission agent or adatiyas can be divided into two parts: kacha adatiya and pakka adatiya. Kacha adatiya primarily act as a seller, including farmer. They sometimes provide advance money to the farmers and itinerant traders. Kacha adatiya charge adhat, the amount that is charged in respect to sell the produce is called the adhat or commission by the kacha adatiya. Pakka adatiya acts as a behalf of trader in the consuming market. The processors, rice mill, oil millers, cotton or jute dealers, and big wholesalers in a consuming market employ pakka adatiya as the agent for the purchase of a specific quantity of good within given price range. Next one is commission agent performing the sorry for the mistake. There are some spelling mistake in a slide, sorry for that. There are some facilities that is performing by commission agent. Likewise, they advance 40 to 50% of expected value of crop. They sometimes act as a banker for the farmers. They offer advice to the farmers for the purchase of inputs or sell their produce. They provide food and accommodation to the farmers also. They provide storage facility to the farmers also. Sometimes they arrange the transportation services to the farmers to go to the market or to go to the village, to go to the market from the village. Next one is the broker. They do not have physical control of the price. The function of broker is to bring together buyers and sellers on the same platform. Brokers have a specific function. They simply bring together buyers and sellers on the same platform for the negotiation. Next one is speculative middlemen. These type of middlemen take the title of the product with a view to making a profit is called the speculative middlemen. They are not regular buyers or sellers of the produce. They specialize in risk taking. This is very important. The speculative middlemen are also very famous or very known to take the risk. Next one is facilitative middlemen. They do not buy and sell the produce directly, but they assist to the farmer or the buyer in a marketing process. These middlemen receive their income in form of fee or service charges from those who are their service. The important facilities some important facilitative middlemen like Hamels or levelers. They physically move the goods in a marketplace. They do unloading and loading to the bullock cart or trucks. Next one is Hamels. They are also important part in marketing wheel. Without their active cooperation, the marketing system would not function smoothly. Women, they facilitate to correct the weight of the produce. They use pan balance with the quantity of small. Like gridders, they performing the gridding activity, transporting agency. They simply uh, with the help of this, the produce is moved from one place to another. And next one is communicating agency. They help in communication of information about the prices prevailing in at a present time or in a past time, or we can say that market and information market intelligence also. So this is all about the facilitative middleman. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much.